crossed a line or two.
Welcome to our car tour. We got a new car about a month ago. It is a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It had about 34,000 miles on it when we got it. Alright besties, here's Miguel. This is the inside of the car. I do a wider angle, but this is why as it goes. So this is like the little door. Miguel has his stuff. It has all the normal controls that it usually has. There's a little cup holder down here that's super nice. This is the steering wheel. We got the dash, tells you the miles per hour and gas. It is push to start. This is our little screen. It's pretty big. Media, climate, we can control the climate, we can do it down here too. It has a heated steering wheel, which is gas as fuck. I love it. And then heated seats, backup camera, nice. We have apps, navigation. This is where CarPlay is when I have my phone plugged in. And settings, we have all of our thingies. This is something we got for Christmas, and then in here is just where the Apple CarPlay plugs in. Miguel's keys usually go in this little thingy. And we have our center console. Nothing crazy. It's is it triple? No, it's just doubled. And then over here we have the glove box, which, you know, I have a little like emergency kit right there. These are what the seats look like. They're leather lined. And then I don't know what kind of material this is, like a microfiber. I don't know, it's super nice. We have our little Gengar, and this I got from the TikTok shop. It's pistachio and salted caramel. It smells exactly like Sol de Janeiro. You just bloop it over a little bit and it smells delicious. That's Miguel's little dude he got from his mom. This is the mirror. Hi. And then it has a sunroof, which is super nice. And we'll go into the back seat. Oh, I also have my phone thingy right here. So back. This is what the door looks like. This is usually hung right here. It's our little garbage can. We got a duster. It has a cup holder in the middle. It's pretty spacious back seat. I'll step back. Super nice. And then this is the trunk. It's super big. We got one of these nets, so like when you get groceries and stuff, it doesn't fall out. You can also store things in here, which is super cool. First things first, Miguel is Gengar.
Yeah. I like Gengar.
Can you get over here?
I like Gengar being my face.
For the love of Jesus.
Yeah. That's me.
This is our new car. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment down below. It's super cute. We're obsessed with it. Right, babe?
Yeah.
And yeah, we're Jeep Gang round 2. We also have a Jeep Patriot. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!